Apple may be preparing its next budget-friendly iPhone, called the iPhone 17e, and it could become Apple's next terminal-level smartphone. This model is expected to join the upcoming iPhone 17 lineup. According to reports from Weibo, Apple may have already started marketing work for the iPhone 17e. This suggests the company is planning to launch the phone around mid-2026. Leaks say the iPhone 17e could be a seasonal update, similar to the iPhone SE series. The goal would be simple: offer newer internal hardware while keeping the design clean and the price more affordable. Well-known analyst Ming-Chi Kuo has also hinted that the iPhone 17e might arrive in early 2026. However, Apple has not officially confirmed anything yet. Some reports even claim the iPhone 17e might be delayed or cancelled, as Apple is still discussing it internally. That said, supply chain leaks suggest Apple has already started preparing for production. Other analysts believe Apple's current product roadmap does not clearly list the iPhone 17e, which makes its future uncertain. Still, it's clear that Apple is interested in expanding its lineup of affordable devices. If released, the iPhone 17e is expected to use the same A19 chip as other iPhone 17 models. This chip would be built on TSMC's advanced N3P process, offering better performance and power efficiency. There are also rumors that the iPhone 17e could feature a new in-house modem, but this has not been confirmed yet. However, the iPhone 17e will likely not include all Pro-level features. It is expected to miss out on LTPO display technology, which means no adaptive refresh rate and no always-on display. Speaking of promotion displays, what do you think about this feature? Do you like it? Let us know in the comments. Apple seems to be positioning the E models as yearly updates in its lineup. The iPhone 16e, launched in 2025 with a starting price of $599, may have set the foundation for this strategy. Reports say the iPhone 16e helped Apple gain a strong share of the global mid-range smartphone market in the first quarter of this year. Following that success, the iPhone 17e is expected to launch around May 2026, targeting price-sensitive users in both developed and emerging markets. This device will clearly compete with phones from brands like Xiaomi, OnePlus, and Vivo, which currently dominate the affordable flagship segment. On social media platforms like Twitter and Weibo, discussions about the iPhone 17 series are increasing. Reliable Apple sources suggest all iPhone 17 models may feature 120Hz displays. However, insiders on Reddit and Weibo say only the Pro models will support adaptive refresh rates and always-on display features. While this isn't fully confirmed, most leaks suggest Apple may finally bring high refresh rate screens across the entire iPhone lineup, including non-Pro models like the iPhone 17e, though with a fixed refresh rate. To sum it up, even though Apple hasn't officially announced the iPhone 17e, growing leaks from suppliers and analysts suggest a mid-2026 launch is very likely. The phone is expected to come with strong hardware, like the A19 chip and a 120Hz display, but some premium features may be left out to keep the price lower. What do you think about the iPhone 17e? Have you used the iPhone 16e? Share your thoughts in the comments and we'll see you in the next video.